So punta muna po tayo ngayon sa leverage ng broker nyo and also yung basic, common Forex terminologies, no? Para at least makabisado nyo itong mga terms na to at maging isang full-time trader na po kayo, okay? So number one that we're gonna talk about is leverage. So if you remember, gumawa po kayo ng account sa XM Global dito sa guide na to. So papapiliin po kayo doon kung ano yung leverage nyo. Pwedeng 1:100, 1:200, 1:500. Some brokers even offer 1:2,000. So ano ba yun? Isa tong ratio or collateral na pinapahiram ni broker sa inyo. Okay? So for example, nag-deposit ka po ng $1,000 at nagkaroon ka ng account na 1:500. Ibig sabihin, 1,000 times 500, iyan po yung buying power mo or yung pwede mong magamit na power sa pag-buy and sell. Kasi kung 1:1 ka lang, ibig sabihin, para ka lang money exchange. So, ibig sabihin, actually double sword itong leverage. The higher the leverage that your account has, of course, the more profit that you will be able to do on that account. Pero, the more losses also din yung exposure nyo sa market. So, I personally use 1:100 and 1:500. Okay? So, yung mga ibang broker, pag lumalaki na yung capital nyo, binababaan nila yung leverage nyo. Okay? So, for beginners, you can do 1:100, 1:500. Wala namang masyadong problema doon. Ako, sanay po ako sa 1:100 and 1:500. While other traders, they can go as high as 1:1,000 or even yung ibang broker, grabe, 1:2,000. Just imagine, kahit $1,000 lang yung capital nyo, imumultiply yun by 2,000 para makapag-trade po kayo. So, yan po yung collateral or parang pautang po ni broker sa inyo. So, wag po kayo mabulag. Grabe, ito, 1:2,000. Pero syempre, the higher leverage is, the higher the risk. Okay? So, punta naman po tayo sa madalas na narinig natin, which is bullish and bearish. Okay? Ito yung mga bulls and bear. So, napakasimple lang naman ito. Pag bullish ang market, ibig sabihin, mas marami ang buyer, kaya makakakita tayo ng mga higher high and higher low. Ibig sabihin, the price just keeps on going up, no? Parang yung gold, no? Since 2021, 2020, yung price ng gold nag-steady na. Ngayon, nasa 2,000 plus na. So, pag bearish naman yung market, ibig sabihin, mas maraming sellers dito sa chart na to or sa pair na to. Ibig sabihin, ikaw din kailangan makapaghanap ka ng short position because there's a higher chance. No, sabi nga, trend is your friend. Ibig sabihin, if the market is bullish, you have to look for a buy. Okay, so we're going to discuss about different strategies on the other courses and other videos. But eto, terminologies muna tayo. So ganun lang po, napakasimple lang po, bullish and bearish. You buy on the bullish market and you sell on the bearish market. Okay? So next natin is support and resistance. So ibig sabihin lang po nito, meron tayong mga level ng price sa market na madalas nagbabounce. Okay, dito po mas madalas po ito support. So the higher the time frame, the stronger the support. Okay, and resistance. So ibig sabihin, on this key price, laging hindi bumababa doon kasi may mga buyers, no? Mga banks, institutions, hedge funds, or yung tinatawag nating market maker. So, kailangan mapaplot natin yan sa chart, sa trading view, kasi doon tayo hahanap ng candlestick pattern kung paano tayo sasabay sa mga market makers. Yung resistance naman po, dyan po yung mga level na active yung mga sellers. Ibig sabihin, itong resistance level na to, lagi na lang pag ang price pumapanig dyan, bumabagsak yung market. Ibig sabihin, that's the price that they are taking profit and also selling. So, dyan active yung mga sellers. Sa support naman, dyan active yung mga buyers. Okay, napakasimple lang naman po yung support and resistance. Okay? Open and close position. So, pag sinabi natin may open position ka, it's either may buy or sell position ka na running sa MT5 terminal mo or sa mobile phone. Okay? Close position naman, ibig sabihin, either na take profit mo na siya or na stop loss mo na siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, open and close position. Ganun lang po, napaka-basic. Next na po, take profit order. Ito yung madalas na makikita nating TP hit. TP hit. Ito yung masaya. kasi nate-take profit level mo. So if for example, you bought an asset on a specific price level, tapos pumunta naman dun sa target mo, automatic magko-close po yung position mo, and then malalagay po dun sa MT5 terminal mo, take profit TP. Ibig sabihin, nag-buy ka dito, ito yung target mo, at yung price umangat doon sa level na gusto mo, automatic magko-close po yung position mo in profit. Okay, syempre, yung kabaliktaran po niyan is yung tinatawag nating nakakalungkot na stop loss. Okay? So yung stop loss naman, example, nakabuy ka and you're hoping for the price to pump up, kaya lang for some other weird reason, merong news, biglang bumagsak yung price at na-hit yung stop loss mo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nakabuy ka, bumagsak yung price, may stop cam price dito, and then this also protects your account from blowing up or being margin called. So ibig sabihin, dun sa risk management na gagamitin nyo, no? If you have a 1% risk management rule and on a $1,000 account, ibig sabihin, $10 po ang risk nyo per trade. So once that you hit your stop loss, you instantly lose $10 of the $1,000 account. So napakasimple lang po. Okay? Okay, ito naman yung risk management is very important in Forex. So para sa mga beginners dyan, use 0.5, 1% or 2% risk per trade. So ibig sabihin, if you have a $1,000 account, you're gonna be risking $10 or $20 and trying to aim more than what you're risking. So we're going to discuss about risk management on other video. So ito lang, sample lang, kung nag-risk ka ng $20, dapat ang take profit mo at least $20 then or $30. So you must always make sure that your take profit, lagi ka lang titipi, is mas malaki sa mga losses mo. Okay? Portfolio naman. Dito naman portfolio mo, napakasimple lang. Yung Forex portfolio mo, makikita mo yung buong account history. Okay? Doon makikita kung ano yung mga tinetrade mo. Actually, this is a very big topic in general kasi pwede ka rin naman mag-trade ng spot and futures and crypto. So, pwedeng ikaw as a trader, pwede kang maraming i-trade. Okay? Ito naman yung ayaw nating mangyayari sa account natin. Yung tinatawag nating liquidation. So, remember, when you created an account, you were given a privilege by the broker to create a 1:500 or even more leverage. So, ito, tingnan natin, no? Margin requirement. When you open an account that uses leverage, you must maintain a certain amount of money. This margin serve as a collateral for what is borrowed. Okay? So, ang ayaw natin is yung margin call. Ibig sabihin, meron kang matatanggap na email sa email mo from the broker that you're almost empty, you're almost zero. Mamumula po yung MT5 terminal nyo and you must add more money kasi yung pinapautang pong leverage ni broker sa inyo, nauubos na. Remember, pinaloan po kayo ng broker kung nag-choose po kayo ng 1:500 at habang bumababa po yung balance nyo at yung open position nyo, nandun pa rin. No, possible ma-margin call kayo. And of course, yung last step niyan, liquidation level. Ibig sabihin, no, naubusan na po ng leverage yung account nyo, wala na pong pera, automatically all of your open positions will be closed in a loss. Okay? So, yun lang po yung mga basic terminologies natin. Hindi nyo na po kailangan intindihin yung mga ibang terms, no? And then, lastly, ito po, madalas po akong ma-i-slip or slippage. So, pag-usapan natin about slippage. So, slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade. Ito po yung example. For example, you bought gold, no, for the price of 2,000. Kaya lang, sobrang volatile ng market. Ang bilis masyadong gumalaw ng candle, nagwawala. Pagka-click mo ng buy sa price ng 2,000, ma-execute yung order mo sa 2004. Ibig sabihin, na-slip ka. Okay? So, this happens during major news and volatility hours. Ibig sabihin, yung take profit level mo, possible, mas-slip din po yan. Pwedeng positive slippage. Ibig sabihin, kung dito ang take profit level mo, biglang tumaas pa yung price, sobrang taas, at magkakaroon ka ng positive slippage. Yung stop loss naman po, ito po, madalas po, negative stop loss slippage. Ibig sabihin, if your stop loss is 2%. Kaya lang, so sobrang volatile ng market, no? Pasaway ka, nag-trade ka during the news. Sa sobrang bilis, bumagsak ng candle, hindi na-capture ng software natin or liquidity provider natin or yung broker natin, sa halip na matalo ka ng $20, ang mawawala po sa iyo is $30 or more. So again, do not trade news kasi ito madalas pong nangyayari sa akin to. Kahit ilagay nyo po sa break-even yung stop loss nyo or profit in stop loss nyo, may slippage po kayo. Lahat po ng broker may ganito, walang exemption. So this happens during high impact news. Or yung mga market open. Pagkaka-market lang ng open, possible mas slippage kayo. Kahit malayo ang stop loss nyo, possible tamaan yan. So, kung meron kayong open position ng Friday or Saturday, naglagay kayo ng stop loss at tingin nyo, safe na kayo, pagbukas ng market ng Monday, ayan na, makikita nyo na stop loss pa rin kayo kahit hindi naman pumunta yung market dun sa specific price. Okay? So, I hopefully you learn from this video and I will see you next episode.